right. This big boy is coming down. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim it, and then I'm gonna fell it. Okay, it always speeds my heart up a little bit, you feel me? Now it's time for the cleanup. Let's go. All right, 30%, 10% hinge, 60%, pretty smooth. Attention to detail. I've raked all this up. That pile right there, that pile right there. I am getting ready to cut that stump down a little bit lower. Then I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna load this, load that right there. Then I'm gonna get out of here. Okay, no, that's a low stump. And that's how I do it.